Friends, so this is another question. So the output is in dictionary format. In dictionary format, they will give the string and they will tell to convert into string. So how it will convert, that will show you. But now just before one video we'll see, they asked to print the list of the words and with count. So now he is asking we need into dictionary format. Okay, so we'll do in dictionary format how it will do. They will give the one string. So what I'm doing, will take two list. Okay, and then I will what will do, will split the original string, and it will go, well, it will take into list, another list. Okay, then we'll use for loop and we'll match Python and whatever character they want. So we'll match it and we'll append. If it integer, we'll append and pass. And here we'll put the chip of dictionary. It will convert into dictionaries. Okay, I will show you how it is happening. Okay, see F, what is coming in list? It is came in list. Why? Because we split here. We'll split. Okay, the original string, this one split. Okay, now Python, it's come I is equal to Python, yes, or I is equal to Java, no, so it is append Python. Then you can to try Python integer, false, then pass. Second time came R equal to Python, false, R is equal to Java, false. इंटीजर नहीं तो पास कर जाएगा, इंटीजर है तो वो इंटीजर पार्ट में आके इंटीजर को अपेंड करेगा. Okay, so now again it will match all character word and this one integer. So we'll see that how it is happening. Once you learn how it is happening, then you can map the program. So for that we need to watch again and again. Okay, then we can learn, otherwise you can't keep in mind. See how dictionary is printing. Here print zip, what is doing, the value of digit and string. Here we have to take two list. The using the zip command, it's perform a dictionary and it will give the out, output like that, whatever below is mentioned. Okay, so we'll see now. Okay, object return this, see printing what is Python 67 Java 55, or it will print the value. Okay, see it is printing the value. Suppose what will do, I will put here 100. Okay, here I will put a 2 only and we'll see what is working. Some of people are thinking how it is happening, why it is happening, why it is not happening. Bro, you will see one time, two time, three time, we'll get to learn how happening, why happening. Okay, so this is the good approach to learn, and it is known how value is coming into a variable. Okay, so this is the good approach what I have get it and learn from internet and somewhere else. So okay, okay, no, okay, it is okay. If you are beginner, you watch again and again. If you are experienced, one time you can watch, it is okay. Okay, for remembering purpose I have put all the notes on the YouTube. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like.